So let's prep the tattoo station. Following the hygiene protocol matters the most in tattooing, and it's not just for me. I mean, it is supposed to be like that for every artist on this planet. I try my best to wrap everything, almost everything that I might put my hands on while tattooing. I wrap it with clinch. I prefer and recommend taking high quality printouts of your artwork before you start the tattoo. I choose to print two different prints. One is the actual artwork and one is the artwork which has a stencil over it. And because I have worked on the stencil digitally, I have this red marking all over the artwork, which helps me understand my actual stencil on skin.